What is up? We are back here once again with Kitten. Today we are going as the Naval of the USA, so yippee for me, right? We are going to be testing out the Electro 80 FTPT 314, the 110 FTSC for 97. We will also be flying with the OS2U1. We will have the 165-foot PC 451 and the P40E1, and we're gonna see how that test is out first, and I'll show you those here in 1 second. Sorry I couldn't get my camera working today. Here we go. That's the P40. There's the 165 FT. There's the OS21, the 110 FT, and the Electro 80. So we're going to test out all of those today, if I get the points to do it, and if not, I'll figure out a way to do it sometime or another. I'm only thinking about playing 2 rounds today, but maybe that would be enough, right? Let's see how long it's going to take us to get into a round today. Oh yeah, and if you are wondering, the Electro 80 has a turn of 40. It has a 40mm Bofors L60 Mark III gun. It has a 37 ANM4 cannon. It has a 20mm Oerlikon MK2 cannon, and it has 2 turrets of 12.7mm ANM2 machine guns. Today's gonna be great, right? And it does have 4 torpedoes, 564mm. Lots of 4s today, don't you say? Sorry y'all can't see me today. Let's go with the Electro first. Well, it's not even really an Electro, it's the Elco. Hold on a second, let me change these out right quick to my... There we go. Let's try these out right here.
Gunners are searching for airborne and surface targets.
As you can see, I got my 40mm in the back there spinning around, and I got my 37mm up front. I do. Wee. I don't know, guys. Well, if you guys want, just leave me in a comment down below. Tell me if y'all have any recommendations to what I could do in this video. Maybe if y'all want me to play one in War Thunder, play a Pacific plane, boat, tank, please let me know. I would love to do that. Okie dokie. What are you doing? I know, he's way overshooting me. There's something up with that, right? Off we go again into the wondrous nature, I guess. I don't know how these guys are penetrating me. Wow, and I got killed by a bunch of 2 and 1.0s. That's wonderful. I'm gonna go off with the 165 FT.
Gunners are searching
See how
for
this one
airborne and
does.
surface targets.
Let's see here. There's a motor torpedo boat. Would not want you to hit me. And I shot behind him. Shoot about right here then. Yep, I hit him right there. I don't know where though. Yeah, there we go. Let's back that up a little bit. And if I can hit him in the back, which is nice. Man, he was tearing me up. Goodness. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I see who we got here. The Inquisinator Raven. Oh my gosh, I'm so afraid. Not really, but hey, I'm so enthusiastic today. It's like me saying that. I mean, like, for real. Oh no, I shot a rock. That's like the best shot all day. A rock, guys. I hit a rock. That's amazing, you guys. A rock. I'm telling you, that's like the best kill I've had all day. Y'all don't got a clue. I will disintegrate you. You monstrosity. Monstrosity! Oh no, it's a Sioux. What am I gonna do? Oh, that rhymed. Oh dang, man, that was close as heck. I thought I've died. Bada boo, bada da 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 da, wow 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 la la la. Hey guys, what's going on? Oh yeah, and just in case you guys know, I did not copyright that. I don't even know if that thing's even a song, if you know what I mean. There you go, I got him right there. After a world of trying. Whoa! I don't even know what that thing was, but it almost hit me. I think it was a plane falling. That scared me, guys. That actually scared me a little bit. I didn't know what was going on. Let's patch up some breaches. Get on down. Looks like I'm on top because of this 165 FT. That's nice. That's really good. Just in case you guys know, I do not recommend you guys trying to do this if y'all have this boat right here. That was a... Oh man, the plane actually bombed me a little bit. Yeah, the gunners on here is like OP as heck though, you know? Very useful. Shot down 2 planes without me having to like fire a shot, you guys know? Like... That's good. Oh goodness. Whoa. Okay. That's nice. I guess. I don't know. Just whoa. You just blew up there. Oh goodness. What is this guy? That's an LS. There's a submarine chasing. Oh, it's going to the left now, okay. Man, I didn't get anybody right then. Sorry for the cutout, guys. People running along, doing a bunch of crazy stuff. Let's go to the P30 since I got the points right here right quick. Let's go! Woo! Let's test out this P40 before we win or lose. Oh yes, and guys, I do have some bombs. I do have the 500 pound and 2 100-pound bombs. Very useful when you're going against boats, I guess. I guess it all depends on what you're going on against. Let's see if I can get this naval boat out of the way. That'll help out a lot, you know. Oh no, I hit him. I didn't kill him though. That kind of sucks. And we are not going near the submarine chasers. Let's turn back around. There we go. I got him that time. That's sweet. Now let's circle around and grab his IS. Well, LS. There we go. Alright, somebody got him right then. Hey look, there's another submarine chaser. I am the terror of the ocean. You all should be scared of me. Be afraid. Very, very afraid. Yeah. Yeah. Very afraid. Oh yeah, guys. And I really hope you guys remember, do not mess with the bald people on this game. Just in case y'all do not remember. Alright guys, I guess I'll set out with the 110 this time. I'll start out with it. I will. So you guys can see how this is going, just to make sure y'all get a good view. And if I do get the points, I will go with the OS2U1 this time as well. And we are going to the Coal Islands. Small but dangerous little place. I guess I don't know if it's really that dangerous or not. I don't know how it really went down in World War II. But hey, I bet it was awesome, you know. I don't really got a clue if it was or not, but hey. Let's see how this thing does. I'm gonna go straight for the C point. Dude, get out of the way. That guy got right there. He got 2 really big cannons with him. Yeah, 76 millimeter. Thanks. 2 76 millimeter cannons. Oh goodness, they're shooting at me. Oh, what? 1 hit and my boat's already on fire? That's crazy. Come on! Why don't you just hit him already? Oh yes, and I do need to change my curse. Man, I am getting shot to pieces from all over the place. I am not liking those odds. Oh, what, dude? Like, I still have 18% of my crew left, and they blew me to all the heck. Let's go with the 80. Well, the Elco, not the Electro. My bad. But the Elco 80. Let's go with that this time. Let's use some torpedoes. Torpedo everyone. Woo! Let's do it. Think we crazy guys. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum. ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-da-da, wa-la-la. Man, this is crazy, you guys. Guys, I am not trying to copy right here, so I am gonna say, if I am copying any type of music that you guys know, I am going to say I respect whoever made it, deserves the credit. I did not make any of the music that is on here that I am making with my mouth. So I give all the credit to its rightful owners of whoever did make it. So it looks like I'm gonna have to use the 165. I don't know if I'm gonna get to the OS2U1 or not. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be fun or not. But I did pretty good with it last time, so let's... Why are you pointing so high up? It's an AA ferry. This is... Could you like please just shoot at the AA ferry? Good, yes. And look, he's even knocked out my gun. That's just great, you know? And I got knocked out by a BMO. Like, the BMO is like on the other side of the bird, I think. I don't know. Oh, luckily I do get to use the OS2-1, so let's try this one out. And this will be my last and final game. I hope you guys enjoy me flying this lovely boat plane, because it's gonna be great, guys. La-da-da-da, wa-da-da-da. Oh goodness, like, we is so screwed. Somehow I'm still on top. I am very surprised that I am on top right now. Just look at this. You guys see this? You guys see this? It's, yep, see, I just got passed right there. That's great, guys. That is just wonderful. It's a crazy world out there nowadays. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Sometimes I just don't know what to say. It's a heavy AA ferry. Oh, somebody nuked him. Well, not really nuked him, but somebody bombed him. Can you get him too? Oh my gosh. That guy completely missed him. I really hope that IO don't head for me. But I can dive on him, so I'm going to dive on him. And I got shot down by Type K8. That's not surprising, actually. Did they just call me stupid? Like, I'm really confused. Okay, so they didn't call me stupid, surprisingly. So I'm gonna go on back to the hangar. But you guys got to see everything I was doing today, so yippee for that, right? And I still lost money, so that's even better. Anyway, you guys, I will see you guys next time on Kitten with War Thunder. Thanks.